There are many ways to make money, and the best approach will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Start a business. If you have a great business idea, you can start a company and earn money by selling products or services. This can be a challenging and risky endeavor, but it can also be very rewarding. Invest in the stock market. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments to earn money through dividends or price appreciation. This requires some knowledge and research, as well as the willingness to take on some risk. Rent out a room. If you have a spare room in your home, you can earn extra money by renting it out on Airbnb or a similar platform. This can be a good way to bring in some extra cash, especially if you live in a popular area. Sell items online. You can sell items you no longer need or want on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. This can be a good way to declutter and make some extra money at the same time. Offer your services. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can earn money by offering your services to others. This could be anything from writing and editing to tutoring or teaching a particular subject. These are just a few ideas to get you started. There are many other ways to make money, and the best approach for you will depend on your unique circumstances and goals.